It's wonderful to have a pride in your work or to be proud of your children. But pride has a dark side called ego. If left unchecked, your ego can get in the way of being straightforward. Pride exists at organizational level and can just as easily become tainted. Think about it. How many times have you witnessed senior level executives not acknowledging a problem? The reason? Pride, ego. They don't want to admit that there is a problem because of ego. Someone else will think they're weak or that they will lose face. To admit your decision was wrong means you are weak. Correct? Absolutely the opposite. I once shared with the head of product development that I had saved another organization $1 billion through our company's work. I even showed him an article that backed up my statement. I had been wanting to work with his organization, so I thought this would be a good way to break the ice. So when we met, I told him that I was confident I could save his organization $500 million. He told me they were already doing well, even intimidated that the other company had faked the data. Yes, he used the word fake. You can only imagine what I was thinking at that moment. I asked him if he realized he had just accused me of cheating. And to his credit, this guy quickly apologized, but again told me they were doing very well. My instincts told me his ego was getting in the way of admitting they could be doing better. In his mind, admitting his organization could be doing better meant he had somehow failed. So I pushed him and asked him if he was saying there is absolutely no room of improvement. He told me that, of course, there is always room for improvement. I asked him if he was afraid to admit he could use help. After a pause, he responded that he was indeed concerned to admit he could use some help. You can't fix a problem if you deny it exists. If you allow your ego to get in the way, you'll never move forward. When was the last time pride prevented you from moving forward? Instead, pushed you back.